Welcome to my viewers. In this video I am going to explain to you the problem persists in Epson L3150 Wi-Fi ink tank printer head clotting problem. See, the printout is not coming properly. The black is coming properly, color is not coming properly. How to solve this problem? This is in-depth solvation method. I am going to explain to you, right? So for this, first you have to open the printer. Okay, there are two screws available. Here one screw and here one screw. After removing this screw, just lift up, right? Make like this. Using one screwdriver, you keep like this. Using one screwdriver, you keep one like this. See, solo performance. See, only one person is going to perform or going to solve this issue, means you have to take care about the preventive measures. So here, how to solve, I am going to explain to you, right? So before that, you have to switch off the printer. See, after switch off the printer, after completing this process, you have to switch on the printer after one day only, after one night or after 12 to 18 hours only you have to open the printer, right? You have to switch on the printer. First, what are all the steps you have to take? See, this is the solution. This is head cleaning solution, which is available in online. You can buy on the online. See, when you buy, they will give along with one syringe with the cable. Take the solutions, at least this much or 5 ml. Take the solutions, right? Then after that, what you have to do, open the printer. This is the head area. These are all the internal ink tanks. This is cyan, this is pink, that is magenta, this is yellow, this is black. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black. See, black is coming, so no issue at all. I'll show the printout. Black is coming properly, but in this cyan is coming. These two colors are not coming. Magenta and yellow is not coming. See how to solve, I am going to explain. So first you have to remove this strip. Which is covered the tube. So first you have to remove the strip. This first time if you open, this will be little bit difficult. I opened more than 3 times, so no issue at all, because initially the printer came with this issue, but I have applied the liquid one time, then black is okay, but remaining colors are not okay. So previously there was no output, totally no output, totally black and color not coming. So yesterday I did apply, so I got the output in black as well as cyan, right? That is blue color. Now I am not getting the what is yellow and pink. How to solve, I am going to explain. So after removing this strip, remove this strip, then take out the cartridge. Before that you remove the tube. Right? Okay. Let's take out the tube like this. Then just if you press here, the cartridge will jump. That is cartridge. That is tank. Small tank will get jump. Then take out. Right? This is cyan. Cyan is coming anyway. So then here just you press. Then you lift this and take out. Right? Then you remove these two tube. So separate tube. Here two tube. Right? I am going to remove this yellow. Right? Okay. See here, there is 3 input way. In this I am going to give a pressure. This is working. This is and this is not working. This and this not working. So how to solve, I am going to explain. See, after taking this solution, head cleaning solution, take the tube like this and insert into this input. See here, see, I am going to press. Okay, I am going to press. See here now, Now that tube gone inside the input way. See, now I am going to give light pressure. Yeah, I am giving pressure. I am giving pressure. See, the liquid is going. You have to use two hands. One hand I catch the camera so that I can't able to keep down the tube. I have to grip the down tube in one hand. Another hand I have to give pressure. But here which is not possible. So I am taking very slowly. I am doing this. So which is going. I will show. See, just you remove this. Just to move this. You see here. See in this bottom. This. So the holes got open. So ink has come out. Right? Okay. Have one cloth or tissue paper. To wipe off the right. See here, I am going to wipe this. See here, okay. So that hole is getting open. That hole is clotting area is getting activated. See here, I am. Yeah, going. See, I will show. See here. So the ink has come out. That clotting ink, little bit color changes. That clotting ink has come out. See, I will show this. See here. See this much of head clotting. So I think that pink, that is magenta, got open. I think so. Then I am going to pass on to the another which is called yellow. See, I have taken out, and I am going to place into yellow. Make pressure. Then only which won't come out. Right? Okay. See here, I have linked with the input of yellow. This tube, right? I am going to give pressure. Give slow pressure, otherwise it will jump. The tube will get jump. The spray around this area. So you have to be little bit careful. Okay. See here, the tube is going to get, that is syringe is going to get complete. That means which is going and opening the holes. See here, I am going to see here. See. So that is the head clotting area is getting open. See, in here I have a problem only in yellow and magenta. Here I have problem only in yellow and magenta. So excuse me. So that I have applied only in magenta and yellow. The yellow tube is there. I will remove the tube. See here, I have taken one 5 ml. I have taken one 5 ml ink. So which has right. I have taken 5 ml ink which has got empty. That means so which gone inside, totally which gone inside, and it did open the clotting area. It did open the clotting area. So after 5 to 6 hours or 1 half a day you have to left, because this head is connected with a circuit. This head is connected in bottom. There is a circuit which is connected in power area. So once if you switch on this, it will get short. So you have to be very careful. What you have to do? You should not on the printer. You should not on the printer. That is very important. Okay. This is the way to solve the head clotting problem. This is the critical situation. Critical situation means if you are applying through the software, that is Epson software, head cleaning and power flushing. There are two types of cleaning available in Epson software itself. One is normal head cleaning, another one is called power flushing. In that power flushing itself, most of the problem will get solved. In power flushing itself, most of the problem it will get solved. If it not get solved, you have to open the printer, you have to take the head cleaning liquid and in syringe you have to apply like this. This is the way. So in this way also, sometimes you need to apply 3 to 4 times. That is consecutively 3 days you have to apply. Then only the problem will get solved. If the printer not used more than 1 year. This printer also not used more than 1 year. That's what which is giving trouble me. Yesterday I did apply. I got only the black color and the cyan color. Today I have applied yellow and magenta. So tomorrow I am going to see the result. If result is okay, I will leave that. Or otherwise I have to apply once again. I have to apply until I get the result. Surely I will get the result. Surely I will get the result. I have a confidence on this. I solved several problem like this. Okay. So if you face such a problem, you have to do like this. Then the problem will get solved. Okay. So this is the way to solve the head clotting problem in any Epson ink tank printer. Any Epson ink tank printer. It need not be the Epson 3150. Need not be the Epson L3150. Any Epson L360, L380, L210, any L series or anything, any printer, you have to apply the method like this. Surely you can succeed this problem. This is the way to solve the problem. So please apply this method slowly and patiently. You can succeed this issue. So if you like this video, put like, subscribe my channel, because every day I am releasing new problems regarding printer service, laptop service, desktop service. Also I have released more videos regarding cartridges refilling, laser cartridges, ink cartridges itself, black and color cartridges refilling I have released. Okay, if you have any new problem, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve your problem. And also share this video to your friends if they have the same printer. They are also having the same problem. So please share this video. Let them solve their problem also. Have a nice day. We'll see in the next issue with the next problem and solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.